One of the worst things you can be considered in Israel is a Freier, which translates to a sucker or someone that gets taken advantage of easily. Let me give you an example. So I went out to lunch with my husband to a popular Israeli chain restaurant, I won't name it here, and we placed our order at about 11:50. We walked in, everything is good. Then I hear girls behind me ordering these skeets. And a skeet is a business lunch, which offers both the appetizer and main at the same price. So I turn to my husband and say, wait a minute, we can get these skeets. Call over the waitress, she checks and says, sorry, you placed your order at 11:59. At 12 is when we start these skeets. We're like, wait a minute. Call over the manager, she says the same thing. Let me stop for a second and go back to an earlier concept I covered in another video, which is chutzpah. This is what the waitress and manager were doing, trying to get what they want. We, on the other hand, don't want to be freier, so we kept nicely pushing for these skeets. In the end, customer is always right, usually. In Israel, we got what we wanted, everything is good. So my advice to you in Israel is to stand up for yourself. And these types of concepts, Israeli mentality, are covered in all of our classes, taught by professional native-speaking teachers.